All right, what's going on, guys? It's Luke here. We had one trade today in and out of the market to end the week off. Nice base hit, just about 1.16 R. Executions are on the Discord, so go check that out if you guys want to join. Links in the pinned comment. And Alpha Futures is still 20% off until tomorrow. So if you guys want, use code LukeX, and you can get a 20% off on any of the accounts. You have the Advanced, the Standards, and the Zeros. So go check that out. But pretty good trade today, guys. Just basically based off momentum inversion, like really simple trade. So coming into the day, my idea, I had more of a bullish bias. I wanted to see price come up to this 4 hour gap because we had all this liquidity resting below it. We had Thursday's PM high, we had this hourly high, we had Asia high, and we had the data high from 8:30, which was NFP today. And then for sell side, we had where was it? The data low, which was right here. No, wait, where was it? I don't know, whatever. My screen's glitching out, but here, let me reload the page so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So we had the 8:30 low, which was right here, this candle. Or, yeah, let me mark that out. So we had data lows, we had liquidity down here, whatever. So personally, I wanted to see price. I wanted to see us either manipulate and take out the data low coming into open because I seen we were trading towards it and then reverse, or I wanted to see us displace lower. So market opens up and we initially take out the data low, and at this point, I was actually looking for longs because ES never swept out the data low until after. But then price came up and was respecting off this 5 minute bearish gap. So I was like, okay, if we can get above this gap and inverse it, maybe I'll look for longs to data highs and Asia high. But if we continue to respect it, I'm obviously not going to be looking for longs. So from there, we get this huge rejection candle down, and we actually start displacing below the data low, which again was right here. So I actually faded these. These would have been decent shorts. We got a nice retrace right here, nice displacement candle bearish. I wanted to short this right here, right to the next draw, which was these lows down here. I just didn't get in time. It just honestly happened faster than I expected. Like the candle just printed and I wasn't even ready and I just couldn't enter this. But again, we displace lower. We get a retrace. We get a nice candle closure right here, strong bearish close. We're clearly going to come to the next draw on liquidity, which in this case was 24,620, and then we deliver lower. Like, unfortunately, like I said, I just don't get the entry, but we end up catching this long after, thankfully. So from there, price comes down, sweeps out our next sell side draw, and we look at ES. ES also comes down, sweeps out the lows. So I'm like, okay, maybe we either seek a reversal here or we keep displacing lower and we look for another continuation to the next draw, which is going to be these draws. Well, you can't see them there, but all the way down there. So at this point, I see that we have no 5 minute gap. I seen we had like no 3 minute gap. All I seen was this 1 minute inversion right here, like this 1 minute bearish for value gap. So I'm like, okay, if we can get above this with displacement, we displace aggressively above this, then I'll take longs. Otherwise, I'm going to be looking, like I said, for displacement lower and continuation shorts lower. So then this candle opens up at 9:43. We get a huge displacement candle, which inverses this 1 minute gap. So I just jump in right there. I'm like, hey, we're probably going to want to come up and take these highs out at least. And then potentially we come up to the data highs, which are relatively equal highs with the Asia highs, right? So I see this 1 minute inversion, nice displacement candle after sweeping out sell side. We already swept out data lows. ES swept out the data lows. ES swept out sell side. So I'm like, okay, we're probably going to at least have a move up. We have all of this kind of low resistance, like trend line kind of right here on the 1 minute. So I take the entry right here off this candle. 9:43, I run my stop right below the 1 minute candle because if price comes down below this 1 minute candle, like we're probably going to dump. There's no need to put it below this low in my opinion. So I went break even at these highs right here, these like 1 minute highs, whatever. So as soon as we push above those, I go break even, and then I fully just TP'd right at these candle bodies, right above these candle bodies right here, just because I didn't want to see my TP get edged if I put them at the wick. It's happened a lot of times where it comes up, stops me out break even, and then just keeps going. Again, I could have held obviously to data highs or Asia highs, but for me, I just got 100 points. I was honestly fine with that, and I sized in, so I was fine with that. I didn't really care to hold for the extra points. I didn't want to see price get edged. So run through it again one more time. Price comes down off market open and it ends up sweeping out the 8:30 data lows. From there, we continue to respect off this 5 minute bearish gap right here. We get a move down. Unfortunately, like I said, I missed this short right here, which was a nice displacement short to that next draw down here. We come down, we sweep out the sell side. We get a 1 minute inversion with nice displacement, which I take the entry off the 9:43 candle, stops below the 1 minute candle, break even at these like 1 minute highs right here, and then I fully TP'd at, I think it was 788. So yeah, about 100 point TP, pretty much 99 points. And again, I could have held, my final TP was probably going to be Asia, but I don't mind missing out on the extra few points. I'm just taking this 1.1 to 1R trade and just getting out. Yeah, that's it for me, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Again, Alpha Future still 20% off. And yeah, that's it for me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.